All right, well, today we've got a service call for a Manitowoc under counter for no ice. It keeps going off on the red wrench. Immediately after I turned it on and the unit started, I could tell that it's making a loud noise, as you can hear.
One of the fans are not spinning.
It was spinning and wasn't, and now it is. But you can tell it's not even turning right. So I was gonna take the whole thing out, and you know what? So other than that fan motor, I don't see anything wrong with it. So we're gonna let our customer know that we need to replace that fan. So we'll go ahead and we'll order the parts, because this customer usually always just replaces the parts. So we'll come back when we have that part, and then we'll go through the entire sequence of ice making on this unit. So until we replace that, I won't be able to continue forward. So I'll look for other things to see if anything else is out of the usual. So but for now it seems like it's that fan motor. But so we'll get that part, and then we'll come back and we'll swap that out. Got the new fan motor in. Let's go ahead and install it.
This man forgot that throwing rocks at windows may also throw him off balance. Making donuts is risky, especially when the cops are on the lookout.
Let me unplug it first. Okay. That's unplugged. Got pliers.
The robber lifestyle just isn't for everyone.
Tight spot.
This driver had defaulted on his car loan, so the bank wanted his car back.
Okay. Take the blades off. As you can see, this one, it suddenly stops, whereas this one, like, free flows and doesn't stop as suddenly as this one does.
Road rage also requires thinking it through.
All right. Okay. Now we'll take the stand off, or the legs.
Display only chance.
Oh, quarter inch. Okay, here's our new motor. Okay. That's that. Put the blade on. Give it a quick wipe. No napkins. Okay. Let's align the hole. This might have a pen, doesn't. Okay. I think we got this upside down. Perfect. Good yourself?
Good.
So previously this thing was...
Oh man, this is the guy that broke it?
This thing was going off of high head pressure because this fan would stop working.
I wanna touch you all over and over again.
Alright, now let's find the screws that I lost.
There's a difference.
There's one.
Here, take your fucking Girl.
Got three.
Girl. Fucking heat down. You're fucking hard as fucking here. It's that guy over there. He turned off the machine. Oh. See? He broke the machine. Turn the heat up. Yeah, dude. And then he turns the heat up. I tell you. I'll do like a farm.
Guy's joking around here.
You're gonna play me, boy.
Alright. Okay. Can't believe I lost the screw. Hopefully I find, oh, here it is.
Boy, what the fuck you? The week went fast, didn't you?
Investigation underway after a community activist is shot and killed in the South LA neighborhood.
Actually, it's really good.
Okay. That's that.
This is fucking heat, man.
Okay, that's that.
Hopkins, we begin at 11 with breaking news in the San Gabriel Valley. Authorities are currently monitoring a large mountain fire in a residential area.
Leave the lion alone, dude.
Near the animal's location along Foothill Avenue near San Dimas.
Okay, let's zip tie these up. And we should be good.
There's plenty of food.
Oh, we have cool people on there. You live? Unless it goes to David Arnold. You live before Foothill?
That should be good.
I'm right below the...
Presumably rather, trying to figure out exactly what the best plan of action
No,
is
but
to
Foothill
try
is a little higher now?
capture this mountain lion that
Okay.
has been in this area for at least the last couple of hours. The San Dimas station posting on their Instagram about the mountain lion and warning people in this area to try to stay clear.
Okay, looks good.
So you could go up no more.
Let's put it back together and start a cycle.
Of Strawberry Farms, and we're looking at those pictures from Sky 5 right now.
I don't look at it. I'll come to the finance desk.
All right.
Last few minutes, she asked her dad to actually bring her in. Her name is Justice. Justice, talk to me just a little bit about what brought her to come down here.
So basically, I was in my laundry and we had saw that the news and we were like,
Okay. Put the drain back. And then I just want to run it like that before I hook anything up. Or tighten all the nuts. I don't know why this thing does this all the time.
No, I never laughed at myself up to the
Something that, you know, is a little bit out of the norm.
I was trying to fix shit that they don't like.
Okay.
maybe like 2 weeks ago, and it was like somewhere around here, and me and my dad went to go see it, and it was climbing through back.
Give a fuck.
So you guys are gonna stay out here for
How about you, Dad? Do you have any of those issues?
Thank you so much. I really
Back
appreciate
issues?
it.
No.
Huh?
No, back issues?
Yeah. Like when you come home, everybody...
Okay, compressor's on.
No. Seen that?
And there goes the fan motors. Looks good to me. Both running. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch a cycle. If anything changes, we'll be back. But I think that should have fixed it because that's the issue we were having. Last time it was making a loud noise and it was stopping. And the fan wasn't even spinning, so compressor was going off on high head pressure. So we'll keep an eye on this, let it make a few batches, and then we'll go forward with this, and we'll call it good. All right, if you enjoyed it, give it a like. If you like these videos, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Until the next one.